All right, so you've been out enjoying your new bike and it's getting a bit dirty, whether it's dusty or muddy from all your adventures. Easiest thing to do to keep it clean is just use a very gentle flow from a garden hose and a bit of soapy water, just plain dish soap washing up liquid, and a nice soft brush for the frame, and just give it a nice little scrub, nice little rinse off, and you'll be good to go. For your drivetrain specifically, use a stiff bristle brush with the soap straight on the brush and just give it a scrub. You can pedal your wheel back while you're doing it just to get all the dirt and grime off. And then same thing, just a nice gentle garden hose to rinse it all off. And then just lube the chain back up. So just a little bit on each link. It doesn't need to be heaps. Once you've got that all done, just spin your cranks a little bit and then wipe off the chain just with a rag, and that'll help keep it running nice and clean for as long as possible. So with the bikes, it's really important that you don't use a high pressure spray from your garden hose like a jet or a water blaster, because it will force water into places where it shouldn't be. So all your bearings and into the motor unit itself. So just a nice gentle water flow, not high pressure.